starts here. Houses in Piedmont real estate. Find your dream home in a fairy tale landscape. Discover your dream in Piedmont. Nestled at the Gates of Monferrato, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, lies a region where history, wine, and breathtaking landscapes converge. Imagine living amidst rolling vineyards, exploring charming historic villages like Castelferro, and indulging in world-class gastronomy. You're just a short drive from the Ligurian coast and major international airports, making it an ideal base for exploring Italy. Step inside an elegant renovated house in Piedmont, meticulously restored with exquisite taste and premium finishes. This three-level residence boasts spacious living areas, a dedicated study, and multiple bedrooms, each with its own private ensuite bathroom. A true luxury. Outside, a private courtyard with a charming pergola, covered parking, and a magnificent panoramic terrace await, offering serene moments and stunning views. Every detail speaks of comfort and refined living. Don't miss this unique opportunity. Visit our website or contact us today to make this Piedmontese gem your own.